Hey YouTube, this is Guns Ammo Survival here, new to YouTube. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. It's currently midnight, still drinking on that coffee. And I just want to bring you a little ammo stockpiling video tonight. I'm hoping future videos, once summer rolls around, do some shooting videos and all that cool stuff. So if you're new here, yeah, hit that subscribe, like, show the channel some support. Right here, I got my 22 and 22 Magnum. Not too much yet, but for the start of this year, it's pretty good. Got a few 100 rounds or 1,000 rounds. My bad. Always look for good deals like that right there. It was $89.99, but I got it for $65.99. These are a good deal too here. You get them for like 35 bucks a box on a good day. Gotta get used to this. Yep, got a few thousand in here. Some Magnum. Need to buy some more of this stuff. It's for my revolver. That's the 22. Go over here to good 12 gauge. Can never have too much of this stuff. Oh, nice. Likes to separate on it. And I'll go back. What the? Got 200 in each container here. 200 here, 200 here. It's actually not too bad. You get this at Walmart. It's only bird shot, but 33 bucks for 100 shells. Ain't too bad. It's a good stockpile here. I got some slugs that I need to buy too. Come over here to 9mm because I got a few 9mm. I believe there is 1,200 rounds in this container here. I bought all the stuff down here online. Good price. Bulkammo.com for sure. Come over here, got the AK 7.62 by 39. Getting close to 1,000 rounds over here. Never have too much of this stuff, especially when you got more than one AK. I've been getting it on some good deals. Every time Dunham's got a deal going on, I go buy it. Get it for like 11 bucks for 20 shots. Not too bad. Come over here, you got the AR-223 and 5.56. It's kind of a mixture container here, but I keep it all in the boxes just so I know what is what. Always get this stuff on good deal too. The lonesome wolf here, literally. Nice. Getting close to 1,000 rounds in here too. I want to have multiple containers full of this stuff though. And over here is my only hunting rifle I got, and this one's really lacking. I got a few empty containers too that I gotta still fill. But 350 Legend. The bullets are in the magazine and on the side of the gun. This shit's expensive though. But I'm definitely gonna start stockpiling that one. But yeah, so far so good. For the start of this year anyhow. I always buy these metal containers too for the good long-term storage. Got the nice seals on them, everything. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And some tips on what you guys think. Thank y'all for tuning in. Please hit that subscribe, that like, and hope to see you guys later. Peace out.